Hi guys, I know I've got a lot of explaining to do, but can you please just start this video on a good note? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my digital diary. It's your girl Kumo M, and I'm back with another lit video for the channel. Hi guys, a warm welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, like, comment, and share because I'm back and I'm back with a banger. Yes, sir. Hi guys, I'm just joking, but yeah, I'm back. I'm officially back, and I think I'll explain everything on the next video, which is going to be a sit down video. No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I'm gonna attempt vlogging. So what's the plan? The plan is, did I officially greet you guys? Oh my gosh, I forgot how this YouTube thing works. Okay. So the plan is today I'm meeting up with my friend Bali. We are going to the mall. I need to fix a few things and get a few things. Because tomorrow we are going out. City girls are going out to play, child. Yeah, and my eyes are swollen. But anyways, I just want to officially open up the vlog. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm getting a few stuff for okay, well, I need to fix my card because it's no longer working, so I need to go to the bank. I need to get like a lot of things. Okay, not a lot of things, just a few stuff. And then what else do I need? I think we're gonna go out for lunch just to catch up because the last time I saw her was like way before exams and school was up to here. It was up to here. We're drowning with school, but by the grace of God we survived. But anyways, welcome back guys. Hope you do enjoy this video. Even if you don't, just leave a like and a nice comment so that we can get the views up, so that I can be motivated enough to post regularly, but I have a lot of explaining to do for you guys, and I am gonna do that explaining. So without wasting any time, I'm just joking. Yeah, let's get into it. But first I'm going to wash my dishes, then take a shower, and then we'll leave. But I'll show you guys when we leave, when Bali gets here and all of that. So yeah, and I think we're also leaving with my neighbor, Asanda. Oh, Bali is also leaving. She's going back home in Joburg somewhere in the weekend. So that's that. So I want to spend time with her before she leaves because I'm gonna follow, I think, around end of November. They didn't even say today's date. Today is the 8th of November. It's a Wednesday and it's 9 a.m. Attempting vlogging in public. So as you saw, I'm in Capitec. What's this? I'm in Capitec and I'm trying to fix my card because my chip is no longer working. I don't know if I told you guys this, but y'all, Buddy's there waiting outside. I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm here with Asanda. So yeah, let's just wait for them to help me. Yes, I'm number 86, but like there's a few people here, so so right now we are on a mission to go look. The lighting is bad, but we are on a mission to go look for sneakers. No, for shoes for tomorrow. So yeah, I don't think I officially introduced you guys. This is Bali. You know Bali from my previous vlogs. This is Asanda. She's new to the channel. So yeah. You guys, I don't know if I like the shoe. In fact, I know I like it. I just don't have a size. Look at the gap here. So I don't know if I should take it. Norma Mbali says I shouldn't take it. But if I leave it, I'm not gonna get it. And I'm taking it. Don't crack. I'm taking it while I'm getting it. Fit check. Stripper season. What's up, guys? What it do?
Yo, I can put that in.
Secure.
RSA.
Is it because
What it do? Something what it do?
Is it
I'm chilling with
the boys? Angisakhumbula izicela nje intro yabo kodwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi what it do, fam? You know what it do. I'm chilling with the boys. Yeah. Hopefully copyright doesn't get this, but for check. She in bag, Mr. Price dress, she in okay, shoes. I mean Converse. But yeah. It's 2 p.m. and we are running behind time because I need to be back at rest before 5. I need to get my nails done. And we still have to have lunch, so we need, but I'm just hoping we'll be done before 2:45, and then we have an hour, go to the taxis. Oh my goodness, don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it, but fingers crossed. Guys, oh my gosh. Ooh, yeah.
you need a pepper bag.
Gift secured. Woo. Yes, queens. How is that upside down the menu? Yeah. You guys, I am so hungry. Yo, guys, I'm gonna and yeah, we are. What's the steers? We're trying to order food because the girlies are out. Yeah, guys, please forgive me. I forgot how to vlog, so I'm still getting into it, you know. But yeah, I'm hungry. That's one thing I know. I'm hungry. I'm gonna order food, and then we go back home for before 5 o'clock, basically. Then yeah. How old do we look? Because
I look 16.
Guys. So we tried ordering cocktails and they're like IDs. Aibo guys, can't this nanga kitchen. So we had to take out our IDs. Bali had to take out her ID. Guys, but anyways, Badala guys, Badala. I mean, I literally just turned 20, so
How many days?
I have a week. We are poor as in a week. I'm not 20, so it matters. Oksala, I'm 20. I've been on this earth for 20 years and a week. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Kumo M's channel.
Your regrets, all that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
Our drinks have just arrived. Yeah, they've just arrived. We're gonna take our first sips as we're waiting for our food. But yeah, guys, I'm afraid of vlogging in public. I'm actually, and it's not even that like packed, but like I feel like I'm a camera boy.
Right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room,
I'm
perfume.
dancing.
Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit.
Screaming.
Taste this a little bit.
But yeah.
Everybody else basic. You live life on
Stella ito basta sauce like green. Okay, ngiyabona.
It girls are digging in already and the food has just arrived.
When it's supposed to be slanty. You guys don't know if I'm gonna. Okay, it's fine.
You cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, taking your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetry.
The way peer pressure.
Peer pressure. Oh my name.
Peer pressure.
You guys. I'm full.
I'm eating half of the burger.
Stop lying.
It is half, but it's two thingies ngapha. It's two thingies ngapha. Excuse me.
Baby girl,
I ate ngapha. I ate a quarter of this. Guys, do you see this? I devoured it and I finished it. Go argue with your mother. My food versus Bali's food versus Asanda's food versus my food. My little Do you like to notice anything different? Please check out my cute nails.
You wanna get out of here?
My cute nails and stuff. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere and yeah, I love them. I love the length, I love the shape, I love the color, I love everything about them. In my
You wanna get out of here?
big girl
Wow.
nails era, something like that. But yeah, it is currently 1:45. It is currently 9 minutes to 1, which obviously makes it the next day. Today's the 9th, and I think you guys saw on the previous clip I was okay. I didn't show you when I was packing, but everything is packed. I'm ready to leave. The semester is over. The year is over. First year is over. Period. Yeah. So I don't want to update you guys on my nails. Ngiyadlala. Ungangibuki Asanda kantini. Ay cha. Screaming. You guys, I'm in the bathroom, so I think there's gonna be an echo and you're gonna hear the water, from the oh my god, I'm speaking with my nails. The water thingy. Okay, you get what I'm saying. But today is the day and I've got my makeup done. It is 6:30. I've been awake since 5 o'clock. Woke up, took a bath, took a shower, and then started on my makeup at 5:30. So, you know the girls, you know the teens. Guys, I'm obsessed with my nails. I'm obsessed with my makeup. Guys, I'm gonna try vlog as much as I can because I know I've been showing you guys bits and pieces, and that's because number one, I don't have space. Number two, I'll explain the other reason in the next video. But guys, I'm obsessed. Love my makeup. Oh my gosh, who's this girl? Who's this girl? Imagine when I have my outfit on. Her. And the weather looks like it's on our side today, so fingers crossed, because the plan is to go have lunch, celebrate Anile's birthday, post-birthday celebrations, I guess. And then because we were basically writing exams on her birthday, so we couldn't go celebrate. Like, I also couldn't celebrate because I was also writing exams. Yeah, also your girl is 20, she's a year older. I'm just joking. I'm wasting time, and I'm wasting space. But what did I want to say? Forgot what I wanted to say. But yeah, my arm, shame. After that, after the lunch, we are going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're gonna have some fun with the girlies, and then come back. Then everybody leaves because today's the last day we are actually together. But oh my goodness, one of my roommates is not coming, so it's basically 4 roommates and 2 friends, so it's 6 people. But we were supposed to go, she just couldn't anymore, so yeah, it was supposed to be 8, now it's 6. But yeah, guys, I'm obsessed with my makeup, and I'm sorry I kept looking at myself, not the camera, and that's because I'm obsessed. Screaming. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, just a quick update. I am trying to clear up space so that I can have enough footage. I'm still in the bathroom. Well, the time right now is 20 minutes past 9. We were supposed to be leaving at this hour, but something happened. I'll explain it to you guys, and I'm pissed, but I'm still looking good, so it doesn't matter. Just kidding. But yeah, we are about to leave now. I think Sneh is doing her last, she's the last person to do our makeup, and then we are leaving. There's 5 of us. The 6th person is no longer going, which is also fine, I guess. But like, look at this. Look at me. You looking? Just kidding. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when something starts moving, you know. And also we are, forgot what I wanted to say, but we're leaving. I think I said that already, but yeah, we're leaving, and then I'm gonna update you guys. I'm gonna update you as soon as I get to think straight, because right now I can't stop looking at myself. I'm kidding. Oh my goodness, what happened to the lighting? Okay, but anyways, talk to you guys later. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe, like, comment, and share. Repost on your WhatsApp statuses, and tell your friends. Tell your friends about this beauty. Hey, ungikumbule nami guys, animkhuze ngalesisuthu sakhe esibhedayo, because ngimfundisa everyday. Guys, ubukani umngane wami muhle kanjani, umngane impeli. Guys, this is Uno Jabulo. I don't think you guys have met her. She's my friend, my first friend I made, and we still stand strong. Peace. Yeah. We are here in front of the camera, guys.
I can't show me a hi.
Guys, bye-bye. I can't flatter myself any more than this. Because I'm beginning Baba Kanchan, guys. Agora, Juniasio.
usunendoda right sikubone ekhaya sikubone like nje
uyabonakala
nasekhandela kantoza mina
uthini manje yo for sure kune-echo yazi but anyways mani babonisa amazipho wakho yeah, that, anyways I'll talk to you guys later.
Thursday setropeni
yeah, setropeni Thursday. Another day, another dollar. Same siyababona zonke bonke. Okay, anyways guys, there's I think 3 people that you haven't met yet. No, two. You'll meet them as soon as they are all done and finished, and then we are leaving. Period. You're pinking. Hey, bo. You're pinking. Anyways, guys, we are running late. Bashile because we were running late. Tell me why, because I was the first person to do my makeup. Tell me why. But anyways, it's secured like Izolo, and then we're leaving now. The time right now is 10. Someone? Siabong. The time right now is 10. I don't know how far they are, but yeah. Please don't mind my nails because they are not done. But yeah, we are leaving. We're still on campus. We're headed off campus to catch a taxi. The ghetto. Guess what? I forgot my glasses at home. Angazi ngizobona kanjani. And I can't turn back now because so late kakhulu. Like we are running late already. So home is just too far away for me to go back to. So I guess I'm gonna be squinting my eyes for the whole day and the headache that comes with it after. But anyways, guys, just wanted to give y'all an update on that. How the hell do I forget my glasses? Hey bands, are you guys?
Athi se-private ubaba wakho ibulele nje ihambe yangaza nje angiyizwa nje bazali bakho bayangilaza.
We're at the mall. I'm going to get some balloons and then we are off. I think we're headed to Crazy Store right now. They say it is about to get down. Oh, my friend. Disappoint me again. I couldn't talk.
Like the way I feel, 'cause I get buff.
You guys, I didn't introduce. This is Anele. I think that's Anele, and then this is Sneh. So yeah.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Baby, so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie. I'm trying, but they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine.
Asibate, Asibabi. For the girls that we think we are. Guys, I didn't show you the food. But
It's worth it. I know now that I've been the world, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chevy ou et Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G-Block. You know I gotta bring the D-Block.
mina ngiyacela mina futhi in fact ngiphela amafoni wenu ngizozifollowa mina amafoni wenu because wow, if awungifollow ku-Instagram you're missing out because you know I'm a vibe la ku-YouTube. So ku-Instagram yini ngicela ungifollow guys. I'm gonna put my Instagram down below. I'm gonna put my Facebook down below. Make sure that you follow, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because I hope you like this video, guys. Because I'm having the time of my life.
YouTube, guys, follow my friend.
You heard her. Subscribe to my channel.
She's a vibe herself.
Yeah, but anyways guys, on the serious or on a real note, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to subscribe to the one and only channel that is a hit, period. It's your girl Kumo M, and I'm back with another video for the channel. This is my digital diary, and I'm back for real now. The reason why I shot this clip was because I want you guys to follow me. I'm gonna insert a few pictures on the screen. The one who say follow, you're missing out. Also, my makeup is still bomb because I am the bomb. Maybe no guys, this is non-alcoholic. Nangoko lapha nembo. Nangu auntie lapha. Siyabonga. Before you guys start with any of the nasty
She has
comments.
already drank a cocktail with extra shots. So
Extra shots. Guys, ngizokholwa mina umuntu enimaziyo noma ngizokholwa umuntu enicala ukumbona
Okay,
namhlanje.
guys, even if you look at my face, you know ukuthi ngi-innocent nje. Ungibhekile.
Hawu wena ungamkholwa.
Asile nale asinegotiate.
Also.
Okay, yeah. Coco gave us this. Guys, begelani.
Thank you for
Thank you for
coming.
coming.
Period. Ish, I forecast you guys, but anyways, guys, I'm running out of space, and we still have to go to the beach. So yeah, talk to you guys later when we go to the beach. I love you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me. I want us to reach 100K. You mean the universe to me, for real. But
You heard her, guys.
no, guys, but you guys mean the world to me more than her. Nina long imaz manje nangazi from dala. You guys are my day ones. So I can ngilaqaze for yena lo umuntu engihlangane naye. Guys, ngibuzeni ukuthi ngisave ngubani phone yakhe.
There's another that I met in university. I think they're wrong gonna tell you.
No, everything about that name is wrong. Asiqale lapho. Ngathi I'm just a mere person. There's Anele I met in
Okay,
Brazil.
uzanele
Guys,
uyangalazi
no.
igama lami. Ulazi after 5 months,
I'm
guys.
gonna
Can you
baba
imagine?
yini? Unamanga.
She was physically ntanga. Yeah, she wanna close. She wanna close it because she knows I'm telling you truth.
Guys, unojabula unamanga.
And then like wa confessor, guys, wa confessor August. Lo muntu lo ngimaze since February, guys. Ngay 6 February. Aibo.
Unamanga, guys. Anyway, baba yini guys, angina space. Unojabula wasted space. You guys, this is the view, and I'm running out of space, and I'm afraid my phone is gonna fall in the water. So, but this is the view. Yeah, we're about to leave to go to the beach, and Sneh. Yeah, guys, uanele lo. Umuntu esize ngaye. Usnelo, Slay Queen. Unojabulo lo mngani wami uPapai. Asanda lo ya guys, nihlangane naye izolo, namhlanje niyamazi. For sure senikhathele uye.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time.
A moment for my shoes, guys, because wow, kesana. Wow, kesana. I'm screaming. I'm still screaming. Anyways, guys, this is the view. Oh my goodness. Ish, you guys, I won't be able to point out where exactly we were, but I think you guys can guess that is the Pawn Hotel. That is a VIP. I think that is where we were, somewhere there. Then that's the next restaurant, and then we walked all the way from there down, and then came up this way, and then yeah, but yeah. Let me see this. I know you guys missed me so much. I missed talking to you guys. I missed y'all actually, and now I'm back with a banger. Guys, yo guys, I can't believe I'm back on YouTube. Like, guys, no, home is home, hey? Home is home. Ask Siman goes stupid, they'll tell you. Ask Siman goes stupid, they'll tell you home is home. Home is where the heart is. You can go to whatever you want to do, but Oksala, your home is home. You know where home is, and you'll always come back home because home is home. Guys, bye bye. Most spacey, angna spacey, and ish. What's up, guys? I'm going to memory card. We'll get I'm last week. Love you guys. Love you. Guys, I'm fine. That is why I'm saying it girls the out say fish. These are my ice cream. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it girls. Guys, shintshela kuphi usne guys animboni guys. Yeah. Yeah. Usagcoka irogo guys. Yeah. Low. Yeah, this is. Yeah, this is. Yeah, I think I've had it. Yagodola ngempela anibukeni guys muhleni akasababi kodwa niyangibona ukuthi ngimuhle kanjani niyangibona ukuthi ngi 10 out of 10 minus nothing niyangibona guys aningiboni bukani guys I'm at the beach with the girls. Yeah. Guys, I literally don't have any more space, so guys, this video is now gonna be short or shorter than normal, but yeah, please don't mind my nails, guys.
This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for lobbying for only now coming home to start some shit. I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying.
Bitch.
Now 4 years ago, time I skip you now. Forget how it felt when this shit was low. I come through this bitch that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round the street, get money, cover. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. There's someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door. We wanna hide no more. Rush that shy no more. We lovers wanna put aside no more. Got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name.
I have 2 minutes and 24 seconds left before my space runs out, so I'm here to officially close out the vlog of the famous return of the queen, baby. Guys, I think we've finally reached the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. I loved it. I love doing it for you guys. I enjoyed every moment. Today was a 10 out of 10 minus nothing, period, up here per, except I leave my critique because I don't have space, but I'm gonna tell you guys. But I'm from Joburg. Standard over there. Here is like, you know, I've seen better, but like 10 out of 10. It was with the best people, had the best experience. So yeah, my day was officially made. In fact, this was a very good way to close off the semester because everyone is done writing. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned because there's more coming, baby. There's more coming. That I can promise. More vibes, more, you know the things. I do the things that make the things to be there, you know. I'm just joking, but yeah, I just came here to officially close off the vlog. I loved doing it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to boost my algorithms so that, you know, people can view it and then I gain more subscribers because we are on the road to 100k. I received 100 subscribers. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much. I'm gonna stay consistent. I promise this time. I promise. I just had to sort out a lot of things. This year was just a lot, but I'm back, baby, officially. I'm going back home. I'm gonna vlog, like, you know. But anyways, hope you guys do like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends about this awesome channel and this awesome human being. I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. And this time I'm here to do something that we do in this channel, on this channel. Sorry, you know this is. I'm here to do something that we do on a regular, and it has honestly become a tradition. Guess what I'm about to do? but guys, my lashes honestly do make the look complete. Like it's had a whole look. Ouch!